Just another day in the concrete garden. Breathe it in. I wake up to the sound of the city's heavy chest. Another morning, another chance to put the soul to the test. The curbs are familiar, the graffiti tells the history of kids who chased the goal but got caught up in the mystery. I'm walking slow, no rush to reach the finish line, because the journey is the only thing that's really mine. Laced up, chin up, moving through the neighborhood, finding all the beauty in the places they said wasn't good. The street corner's a classroom, the hustle is the tutor. I'm living in the now, I ain't worried about the future.
Oh, we're just singing through the gray skies, looking for the light behind the tired eyes, enjoying every moment, let the rhythm take control. There's a melody for every heavy heart and every soul. Yeah, we're just living for the feeling, with the sky as our only ceiling.